Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Skype JavaScript error occurred in the main process problem. Let's fix it guys. First open Microsoft Store and check if Skype is up to date. If you have any update available, update it guys. Let's move on to the first solution guys. First solution is to delete Skype's data guys. To do this, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Here you just need to search for packages. Double click on it. And now search for Microsoft Skype file, guys. You just need to right click on the Skype app application folder, right click on it and select delete guys. This is no harm in deleting guys. This file we will just need to sign in to Skype again. That's it. Now it is asking for can't be complete. You just need to click on this arrow icon over here, right click on the Skype and select quit Skype. Background Skype is running, that's the problem guys. Click on try again and it will be deletable. After deleting it, close out of here. We have delete Skype data. This is the first solution guys. If this solution does not work for you, let's move on to the second solution guys. Second solution is to download Microsoft Visual C++. Visual C++ makes the program on computer to run better guys. If the problem is related to Visual C++, downloading this program may solve the problem guys. To download Visual C++, you can also check my video description for this download link guys. After clicking my description link, you just need to scroll down guys. And if you are using 64-bit computer, you just need to click on this link. If you are using 32-bit computer, you just need to click on this link guys. I'm using 64, that's why I'm gonna click this link guys. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it guys. I already have this, that's why I'm getting repair option over here. In your case, there will be an install option guys. Click on install and install it. If you also have a repair option, you just need to click on repair and repair it guys. That will help you to reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ guys. Select the restart option and restart it guys. This is the second solution. If this solution doesn't work for you, let's move on to the third solution guys. Third solution is to repair and reset Skype. To do this, go to search menu and type installed app. Click on open it guys. Search for Skype. Click on the three dot icon. Select advanced option. You just need to scroll down and select the repair option over here. After getting repair done, click on reset guys. After getting reset done, close out of here. Hopefully your problem will be resolved at this point guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.